Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to add baggage in Delta Airlines. To add baggage in Delta Airlines, you just have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, what you wanna do is go ahead and open up a browser and then type in delta.com/apca.en. That's gonna take you to their official page, which will look something like this. Now, while you're on this page, you could see this sort of page. So, what next you want to do is go to the check-in section from the top right hand side, and then you need to go ahead and enter in your confirmation number, your SFORP, and from which airport you're going with. And once you've done it, so click the arrow icon and move on to the next procedure. After you've actually done it, so then you could go to the need help option from the top right hand side, and you could see this session as baggage help. Go ahead and press on that. As soon as you click on baggage help, what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and read out all the policies that they've listed out. So here you could go ahead and find out the information. So likewise, you could also go ahead and read it out. So this way you should be able to add baggage in Delta Airlines. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.